Hey friends, welcome back to Explogz. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe and show us some love. Today's recipe is Bhel Puri, a very simple and easy version. Come, let's see how it can be made. First, we need to prep up our ingredients. So here we need carrot, grated, coriander, chopped, tomato, chopped, cucumber, chopped, onions, chopped. This is spicy Moong mixture. You can also use peanuts or any flavored spicy mixture. Chaat masala powder for flavoring, black salt, red chilli powder. This is sweet tamarind chutney and the homemade spicy green chutney. I will share the recipe with you in the next video. We will also need some sev for garnishing. Following on, we will need puffed rice 3 cups. It's also called as muri or puri. First add it to a bowl. Onions finely chopped 1/4 cup. Tomatoes finely chopped 1/4 cup. Shredded carrot 1/4 cup. Chopped cucumber 1/4 cup. Chaat masala 3/4 teaspoon. Black salt 1/4 teaspoon, red chilli powder 1/2 teaspoon, a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Here I am adding spicy Moong mixture. This is optional, you can also add peanuts. Next add the sweet and sour tamarind chutney 2 teaspoons. Spicy green chutney 4 teaspoons. Half a cup of Sev mixture. Mix all the ingredients well. Add it to a serving plate. Sprinkle some chaat masala, red chilli powder, chopped coriander, sweet and sour tamarind chutney, spicy green chutney and sev on top. Garnish with coriander and serve immediately. As it's completely homemade, you can indulge in it. This video is for all the chat lovers, so do try this recipe with basic ingredients and let us know how it turned out.